Alright, today we're going to show you how to quickly clean, well not quickly, but how to thoroughly clean your hard drive or your USB. Alright, so first, if it's a HDD hard drive or a SATA SSD hard drive, SATA SSD, yeah, that's right. You're going to plug it into an adapter like this. Bam. Okay, so then you want to take that, you want to plug it into your computer like that. Boom, connected. Next, in your computer, you want to pull up your terminal. Okay, your terminal. You want to right click. All right, right click. Run as admin. Yes. So you're going to type in disk part. Boink. Then you're going to type in list disk. You're going to find your disk. Okay? So I know this is my hard drive, my big one. This is my other hard drive. And this is the backup drive that we made. So this one is the one that we just put in there, okay? So we're going to say select disk 5. You're just going to type detail disk. Detail disk. There we go. Now it's going to tell you everything that's on that disk. Up here, it gives you the information on the disk. It says USB, that's really important, online, blah 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 blah, and it tells you the type of files or partitions on that disk. Okay, so you want to make sure it's the right disk that we're about to erase. All right, so then we're going to push clean. We're going to type clean, C-L-E-A-N, and it's going to erase the whole disk. Or no, it's just going to disassociate the contents from the file storage system. Now we're going to say detail disk, and boom, there are no volumes, right? List disk, and boom, you've got, it's all free, but it's still recoverable. It's not truly deleted. If you want to truly delete it, you have to, and this tells us that we're on that disk, you have to do clean all. Okay? And I'm going to type it one more time. Clean all. So we get it done twice. Now, that's happening. Remember, it's disk 5. Come over here. You'll see disk 5. Look at the speed of which it's cleaning, and this is really slow. Oh man, this is weird. It's very slow. Shouldn't be that slow. Oh, because I'm not on disk 5. There we go. Okay. We selected disk 5. This is the speed at which it's cleaning. Okay. So now we're going to go to our timer program. Right here. So in our timer program, project name, so this is, we're going to name it, I'm going to name it 298 300. We're cleaning it twice, so 600, clean all, or actually it's 300, clean all, 2x. Total data size, let's say 600 gigabytes. Speed 1, about 46. Speed 2, let's say 46. Speed 3, it's like an average. We'll just say 45, just in case it drops sometimes. Alright, so now it's going to tell us how long it's going to take to clean this thing. And boom. It'll be done in 3 hours and 44 minutes and 10 seconds. So we just come back at 2:22 and it'll be done. And that's it. And that is how you properly clean your device. Now we set it to clean twice. I typed in clean all twice. That is good for general cleaning. If you want to go super deep, some tech pros recommend 7 times. Okay. After 7, it is like super gone. But after 2, it's generally gone. The regular people aren't going to be able to recover that unless you're like NSA, CIA, FBI, so on and so forth. They have better tools than regular people. Okay, catch you later. And when it's done, it's going to say disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. So when it says that, you know it's done.